We know that integer is one of the numbers in the list. Let me put this. We have this number from negative infinity, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So to find out how many integers we have between 16 and 82, we can list them all and then count, but it will be too long way. We can use formula when we have integers m less than or equals n. The number of integers between m and n will be n minus m plus 1. Why we add 1? Because we have to include both ends. So now we have to from 82 subtract 16 because our m is equal 16 and our n is equal 82 and we need to add 1. So this is equal. We can always use calculator. 82 minus 16 plus 1, so we have minus 15 is equal 67. This is my solution.